Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing below if you like these types of videos. I try to upload a video at least once a week. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing an Amazon Prime personal shopper box. And if you don't know what the Amazon Prime personal shopper is, it's a subscription program much like Stitch Fix, in which you go on the Amazon app or the Amazon browser. You fill out a style survey and it asks you questions about your style preferences. They show you some photos of outfits and you let them know if those styles suit you or if you're more athleisure wear, more glam wear, more boho. You get the picture. So I'm not really going to get into all the detail on how you set this up. I will link down below a video made by Safiya Nygaard, and she put together a wonderful presentation like she always does about what you do online to get set up for your first subscription box. It is $4.99 a month for the subscription box, and I don't believe that $4.99 gets applied to anything you keep. I think it's just a fee that they take, and whatever you keep, you pay for without that discount. About a day or two after, I got an email letting me know that they had picked 15 items. And I would be able to choose up to 8 of those items to have shipped to me, and I could try them for a 7-day period and send back whatever I didn't want. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this together. This is my first box ever from the Amazon Prime personal shopper. I think maybe I might be like a picky person when it comes to style, and I like several different types of styles, but I am picky within those styles, if that makes any sense. So I'm not married to one style of clothing. I like a variety, but it's very particular, and yeah. So anyways, we're gonna see what I got in this box and we'll go from there. So if you stay tuned for the rest of the video, at the end I will be doing a try on, and I will be listing down below each piece of clothing I try on. I will be listing the product name and how much it is. Now let's get to it. I didn't realize that each of these items come individually wrapped. So first item up are these jeans from Black Orchid, and they have this little zipper detail on the bottom. I'm not sure if these are ankle jeans or if they're cropped jeans. They look a little short, so I'm not the tallest person, so that shouldn't really matter. I'm kind of second guessing the sizing that I used. So I know what my size is based off of stores like Express, but I don't think that translated very well on Amazon, because this looks like it's a size 25 and it looks really small, like I don't know, like a size 0, which I am not. So it is stretchy. Maybe it'll go on fine. I have screwed up on the sizing of the pants, which is fine because I will just update the app later on if I did. They give you different price points to choose from. I did go with maybe what some might consider a higher price point. So I went with like a 50 to like 100, 150 price point, because I didn't want something really, really cheap. And also I didn't want something that was super expensive. I forget how high it went up, but it went up pretty high. Next up is this shirt. And oh, it's so cute. It's really cute. It's kind of translating like it's kind of like an orangey red, to be quite honest with you. And this is from the Fifth label. It's like a silk. Is this a silk? So this is the shirt. It's like a polyester silky shirt. It's got this, what would you call that? I think it's like a snake, maybe like a snake pattern. And it's got these cute little button details right there. So I'm excited to try this. I don't wear too much color, but I was pleasantly surprised when this came up on the items that they chose for me. I think this will look super cute with a pair of jeans and some heels. Next up is this top from Find, made in Turkey. Find, F-I-N-D. And it is this olive green, army green. It's like a wrap shirt. And you've got this little tie here. So that's interesting. Wrap shirts always scare me though. I feel like unravel and like, you know, you'll be working and then you'll be like flashing the office. Next up we have another pair of jeans from Lucky brand, which I absolutely love. Love, love, love Lucky brand. And these are, they have a cute little like belt top here. I definitely know that I did choose the wrong sizing because, well, it says this is a size 0/25, and I own lots of Lucky brand jeans, and let me tell you, I am not a size 0, so yeah, I don't know how these are gonna fit. I don't know, but may not be able to try those. Next up are these. Oh, I'm excited for these. I'm excited. Although, again, it looks really small. These are Sam Edelman skinny pants. And they look like, it's like a jean, but it has like this coating on it that kind of gives it that faux leather look. I don't know if you could see that. So really pretty color, and they feel like they would be comfortable. Like I said, it just looks like a denim with this coating on it, but it's got that burgundy color. Again, size 25, Sam Edelman. Yeah, I don't see these fitting me. I feel like a lot of these pants are going back, if not all of them. These are the high-rise skinny ankle called the Stiletto, Sam Edelman. Next item is this super sexy black peplum top. You can see that. And it is open pretty low in the back. I mean, it's open actually pretty wide. And I wasn't sure if this would actually look good on me. And it's one of those things, you know, what kind of a bra are you gonna wear with this? But it looked so cute paired next to the other items that I was just like, oh, there's no harm in trying it. You know, that's why this app is great, because if you don't like it, you can return it. So that is Sugar Lips or Sugar and Lips. I don't know. So next up are another pair of pants, and these are from Anne Klein. And these are a size 2, which looks like it could possibly fit me. They look a lot wider than the other jeans, so this may actually work. These are like, I don't know what you would call these. They feel like linen. These are like a brown and black pinstriped pant, and these feel like a linen. We are down to the last item that came in the box, and it's a shoe box, and it's from Franco Sato. You guys know me, I absolutely love animal print, and I love shorter kitten heels. So these are a size 7, and they've got this cute detail here. Also on the anklet here, you've got the little zipper back there. So I don't know if you could see that. You get the little zipper, and that's what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna try all of these items on, and we'll see if I can get myself into half of these pants. All right, guys, so this is the green army or olive green ribbed wrap shirt. And it is just a wrap shirt. It's an actual wrap shirt. It's kind of difficult to put on and tie. And I'll be quite honest with you, I'm not like super impressed with the shirt. That's what it looks like on. I actually tried the shirt on with nothing underneath, seeing if I could actually wrap it around, but you can't. You're gonna be busting out of the shirt, so you're gonna have to wear something underneath it. I just paired it up with these dark blue jeans from Express. These are the Anne Klein pants, and I don't think I really like them on me. They're kind of a snug fit up here. I feel like if I go a size bigger, it's going to look too big, and then the bottoms are gonna look really weird to me. I don't really like them. So that's what they look like. Like I said, they're kind of snug up in this area and more of like a straight leg down below. So I paired the black lace top with the Sam Edelman pants, and I have the shoes. So I'll start with the top. I think the top is super, super pretty. It fits well, and although there is a panel of lace that goes all the way down to pretty much your belly button almost, I would say it still feels pretty modest. I would say that this is a good fit for people that want to be sexy but not show too much. There's a zipper on the side here. I had a really hard time pulling the zipper up, and it's not because it doesn't fit, because the shirt or the top does fit very well. There's something wrong with this zipper when it's like catching on this thicker, it's like the peplum band. It's catching on that peplum band, and it's really hard to pull the zipper up. I kind of feel like after wearing it a few times, that zipper is gonna break. So I don't think I'm going to keep this particular top because of the zipper issue. What's really nice about this shirt is the back, which I'm going to show you now. And I normally don't wear shirts that are backless, but this is really cute. So that's what it looks like. Super cute, right? And I just love the lace detail. I did manage to get the Sam Edelman pants on, but they are size 25, which is what, like European size or whatever, which I think translates to a size 0, which I am not. So if these pants were one size bigger, they would be perfect because they are really, really, really snug. But I do love the way that they look. I love the faux leather look to them. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see that faux leather look, but that's what they look like. Last item I have to show you, and I apologize because obviously sizing was an issue where I have to go back now and change pretty much all of the sizing, are the shoes. So let me come up here. So these are the shoes. These are the Franco Sarto shoes, and I've only been wearing the shoes for a little while, and they're already starting to pinch and hurt right here in the back. I don't think I'm going to keep these just because they shouldn't be hurting after only wearing them for like 3 to 5 minutes. And I know fashion is pain, but I really don't want my feet to hurt. So those are the shoes. I would recommend these if you're the type of girl who doesn't care whether or not your feet hurt, because they're so cute. I ended up doing my return, and I thought I was gonna keep at least one item, but it looks like I'm not. Most of these don't fit. I really wanted to try this shirt on. I thought this was a keeper for sure. Just thought it would look so cute with jeans and heels. I went on the Amazon app to see if I could purchase this in another size. No luck. They only come in extra small, small, and large in the only available size they have. is this size, which is a small. There's no medium. I don't know why. They don't even offer it. It's just extra small, small, or large, which is really odd. Where did the medium go? I probably would fit into a medium. I did want to keep these jeans. I wanted to try them on because they are super soft. I'm going to do some research and figure out which size I actually am in these jeans so that I can purchase these, because I absolutely loved these. These, I'm going to consider buying these in a bigger size, but I don't know yet. This top was really cute, but this zipper, I mean, I actually lost a nail trying to get the zipper down. So, but it was a cute shirt. Overall, I would say this. I think that the styles that they sent me were absolutely 100% things that I like. So I think their styling is better than Stitch Fix, but then again, this was Stitch Fix like 3 years ago, so maybe Stitch Fix has amped up their game. I don't know. I'm not subscribed to them yet. Might be considering it again. A lot of these were definitely to my liking, so a thumbs up for that. Really easy to do the return. You just either click keep or return item, and then you have 7 days to ship it back. So I am excited to go on the app and update my sizes. The more you go into your Amazon app and click on the Prime Personal Shopper feature, it keeps giving you these surveys where certain photos of outfits come up and you kind of thumbs up or thumbs down, and that's what helps them determine what kind of styles you're into. So I do a lot of that, because I want them to know like what kind of clothing I like. Thumbs up for the selections that they sent me. I still can't figure out if it's a human that's doing this personal shopping or if it's some kind of an algorithm that they're using, but whatever they're doing, thumbs up. I like it, and I'm excited to see what they send me next month. Hopefully the clothing will fit better this time. Think of that if you're just trying Amazon and you're a particular size at, say, like your favorite store, not necessarily going to be that size on Amazon. So just think of that, something to consider. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you leave me a like so that I know that you like these types of videos. Also, let me know if you've tried the Amazon Prime Personal Shopper yourself and what you thought of it. Did anyone else have any sizing issues like I did? I mean, this was like a really big sizing issue. I mean, I pretty much couldn't keep any of the items. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing below and hitting the little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. As I mentioned before, I try to upload a video at least once a week. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.